Hello, welcome back to this channel. So today we'll talk about nothing phone 2A plus. So let's get started. First of all, we'll talk about this phone body. So it is 190 gram and glass front, Gorilla Glass 5, plastic frame, plastic back, water and dust resistance, 26 LED lights on the back. So this body weight is good and about the display 6.70 inch AMOLED, 1B color, 120 Hz refresh rate, that's and 180 into 2412 pixel resolution, nice combination. Ratio 395 ppi. This phone cheapest made at Dimensity 7350 Pro 4nm octa-core, memory 256 GB ROM and 12 GB RAM. OS 114, nothing OS 2.6, up to 3 major Android upgrades. That's great. And rear camera is 50 megapixel, 24 nm, and OS ultra wide angle 50 MP, aperture 2.2, 114 degree. That's great, and I think this phone camera is good. And front camera 50 megapixel, aperture 2.2, and the video capture 4K with 30 fps. 4K with 30 fps. That's great. And 1080 HD with 60 and 120 fps. Wait, nice combination. And about the battery, 5000 mAh, 50 worked over 50% in 21 minutes, 100% in 56 minutes. Connectivity option 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, and also other feature fingerprint reader, good audio system. So overall this phone is look very great and you can use this phone very easily. So if you want to buy this phone, you can go with this. Thank you.